What is up, everybody? Welcome to the greatest tool show in the history of tools. We're about to get started on one of the most highly anticipated and highly asked for videos that we have from our subscribers and from the rest of the very cool gang. We have my DeWALT 20V Max oscillating tool, which we've seen in previous videos. Vince will link it up here, where we've put this against the Milwaukee. And now, Vince was nice enough to go out and purchase the Makita oscillating tool. I have my thoughts on it already. I think I have an idea of what's going to happen, but obviously we'll let it play out and see what happens. But that's all going to happen in a few minutes. Go! Go.
Now, I did take a little more time than James here, but from the look of things, Makita has it. You don't think so?
Yeah, sure.
Honestly.
No, Makita has it.
Well, maybe you're wrong. Right. You're right. Maybe you're right. I will say we had a little.
I'm going to say we're going to go Makita. Go.
Almost simultaneous. That's definitely mine. Here is yours. I feel like, once again,
Makita?
Makita.
Skeeter?
Skeeter.
Go.
I gotta tell you,
Makita.
I don't know how I pulled that off. I will say they're pretty clean cuts as well.
Yeah.
Here's the deal. Let's turn the Makita on.
It's dancing.
Very minimally though.
You're not going to be able to tell what that is.
Now, why did I want to illustrate that? A lot of times, because of the nature of these tools, there's a lot of vibrations that's transmitted into the user, which means over time, your wrists, your arms will probably become fatigued. Now, as you can see, the Makita is definitely smoother. Is that?
Let me ask you a question. Is that because it's heavier?
Is that a product of being heavier? Jimmy, I want you to hold this. I want you to pull the trigger. Put both hands on the tool like you're going to operate it. Okay. Do the same thing with the Makita.
Oh yeah. There's no play in it when you're. It's definitely smoother.
I will say this, that when it comes to operator friendliness, this tool might be heavier, and I don't know if I like the switch, but it's definitely smoother, which means you could potentially run this tool much longer. Dark Magic said go. gonna tell you, I don't know what the problem was with that one. I will say something else that I just remembered. Makita definitely needs a refresh as well. Although, and when I say a refresh, I'm not talking necessarily mechanically. They need a refresh because they need a light on this tool. You can see Jimmy's tool here has a light, and it stays on. It has a delay from turning off. The Makita has no light whatsoever.
Suppose you saying that the tool wouldn't have a light. Why wouldn't you have a light?
I don't know.
You ready?
So we're gonna do a single clean cut.
Single clean cut.
Whenever you're ready, Jimmy.
1, 2, 3, go.
I feel like because of this edge here, I might have taken Jimmy slightly. But, I don't know.
4-2 Skeeter, go. I lost my phone. I won, but I lost my phone.
Yo, you took it. You took it. And quite frankly, I still had, look, I was still semi-attached. Once again, we're seeing that the Makita has some ramp up. Okay, it's not an instant start like the DeWALT.
Tommy Yaga, I say that all the time. He's made great fishing pole holders.
It's the truth. Now, here's the deal. Why is that? Because once again, the DeWALT, much like, you know, the Makita is similar to the Milwaukee in that they're still brush tools. It seems as though the DeWALT, at least for the big three, is the first to the game with a brushless motor.
Go.
I gotta tell you, I don't know what the problem is. I don't know if the speed trigger was down. The problem, I keep on juking here to the left. It was weird. Weird. Okay, on the Makita.
What'd you just call me?
The tool head, we're at around 95 degrees on the Makita. On the tool head for the DeWALT, we're at 97, 98 degrees. Whoa! Down. Yo, look down here, bro.
What's going on?
We're at
104.
104 there. Let's get a little temp reading right here. We're at like 93 there. Substantially hotter. Okay, let's get into the motor housing. I'll assume it's in this area. We're at like 98 degrees. Compared to the DeWALT,
98 degrees.
around 98 degrees.
Go. Yeah, I got a little hump in mine.
Okay. Yeah, you're like, what's your name? Fergie. Because
My hump's my hump.
This is the deal though, Jimmy. What's this tear out? At the end here, there it is, yo, we do have, this is a knot, but I feel like we have a little tear out here. I think it might have to go to the wall. Because, is that a product of blade speed? Is that a product of blade speed? Is it not fast enough?
I don't, so I have a hump, you have a notch, I say we call it a tie, because we have a second clean cut to make anyway. Go.
Makita. All right, let's do this. We're gonna do 3 speed cuts.
Go. Go. I had to stop a couple times because I kept hitting my elbow on this, on the jaw.
That's why I held it. That's what the good thing about the multi-tool is. I went this direction.
Yeah. 6'5" Skeeter.
All right, so for this test, Jimmy, we're gonna leave you in frame.
Okay.
All right. So you're going to the outside. Okay, let's do this. Let me make sure. Let's do it.
You ready?
I'm ready when you are, Jimmy.
1, 2.
This is speed or comfort.
Comfort.
So this is for what?
Clean cut.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, go. What's that?
Okay, I'm finished.
So,
this is the hole that was cut using the Makita. Here is the hole from the DeWALT. Now, this is the true test. Our old work box, I gotta tell you, Jimmy, I gotta tell you, that is a snug fit. That is a real snug fit. That was beautifully done. Whether it's because of Jimmy's talent with his oscillating tool or if it's the oscillating tool itself, I'm not certain. But that is beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
let's just go ahead and say it was the tool.
I'm gonna say that that would be well secured. Now, we come over here, and you got, I can say, like we have way more. I don't know if Jimmy just, he's on it, but look at all that play. That is one for Makita. One for DeWALT. One for DeWALT.
Go.
What was that?
I didn't see, honestly.
Did anybody see that?
But I'm going to say this.
I will say your hole's...
You made a better cut.
No, I didn't. Your hole's way cleaner. Your hole's way cleaner. Mark it up for DeWALT. We need 1, 2 clean cuts.
Yes.
Okay. I'm
ready?
I'm ready when you are.
1, 2, 3, go.
say this. Well, oh, you're nailed.
I'm nailed in.
Oh, because you were... Okay. Here's the deal. You know, the base cap, I don't mind the cut. I will say this. I don't know if I'm just not used to the tool or if there's not enough speed. I'm not loving some of this tear out here. I feel like it could be totally operator error. I feel like I've achieved better cuts with a different tool. Okay? And I don't know if it's the speed or if it's my operation.
Makita wins.
Well, that was for a clean cut.
Yeah.
It? Clean cut.
And I did not have a clean cut.
Definitely did not.
Go.
I'm nailed there. This is the deal. I'm taking the win if my cut's 100%.
Okay, I agree with that. Good.
It's not tie no mo.
Go.
Okay, so as you can see, it's a tough call. I didn't cut all the way through the paper here, and you didn't cut all the way at the corner. I think we have to chalk that one up as a tie. What do you think, Jimmy? Or is that unfair? Quite frankly, I think this actually
ripped.
No. This, I think you won that one. I think DeWALT has that one because of the paper here. That's
I don't know. I don't think that's necessarily.
I think besides Jimmy's Shanghai cut over here.
Yeah, I mean, I got a bad cut and you got a piece of. Honestly, I would give that win to Makita.
Really? Why?
Because if I'm on a job, right, and Foreman comes up, he can rip this.
George Foreman.
He can rip this piece of paper off like that and go, okay, good cut. He comes to mine, he's got to recut this piece.
George Foreman comes up. Is he doing drywall work now? George Foreman?
Possible. So I would say Makita.
I think you mark it down for DeWALT. What does the very cool gang think?
Yeah, let's see what they say.
Let's see what the gang says, because quite frankly, I think that one was DeWALT.
3.
Now this is speed, right?
Yeah.
Or is this comfort?
No, it's speed.
Okay, we're gonna cut one and then do all four, is that right? All right, I'm ready when you are.
1, 2, 3, go. Go.
I will say this, regardless if I lost or not, very impressive. It really did cut effortlessly. And number 2,
Yeah, my teeth are still pretty good.
literally no teethuses have been knocked out. It does not look like I've been in a bad barroom brawl here. The teethuses are in good shape.
Go.
It's that instantaneous starting.
What I'd like to
Meg
do.
and I.
What I'd like to do in this test.
No.
Okay.
Don't tell me what you'd like to do.
Go.
That was closer. Because
It's not.
they're definitely not flush though.
Yeah, I wasn't cutting them at the bottom.
Oh, yeah.
I started a thread.
I will say this. I have more.
Yeah, I start in a thread.
I have more. Go. We got more tests. Stop wasting the blade. Because I've lost the teethus. Have you lost the teethus?
No, my teeth are pretty
Wow,
good.
you do pretty good. I gotta tell you, man. It's a good tool.
Go.
You?
Yeah.
I will say this, once again, I'm losing some teethus
Here,
here.
show my teeth.
This is very similar to the last time. I don't know if it's that quick ramp up. I don't know if the DeWALT just maintains its speed better, okay? But this is the same thing that happened last time. You didn't really lose any teethuses.
Yeah. Go.
And as we can see here, got some blackening. It didn't do too bad that time.
Go. Well done.
Done well. And if you like
Things that are well done.
then smash the like button. Also, if it's your first time here, not already, get subscribed. We do fun things like this every Friday. DeWALT came out on top, 13-9 in the test tonight. This is the time of the evening when we say special thank you to everyone. I have to keep this open. Everyone that helps us to make this possible.
Video's over, but I know you want more. So this is how you're going to get it. First thing you need to do is pretend you're this guy. And you're here at the birthplace of freedom. Now ring that bell like it's 1776 and let all notifications through. What? You're not subscribed yet? Well, smash this button here. After that, watch this video here, here, and maybe over here. See you later.